Looking for the best dashcam to capture every detail on the road? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 4K dashcams 2025, Ultra HD clarity for every drive. Whether you need crystal clear video, night vision, or smart features like GPS and Wi-Fi, these dashcams offer the ultimate protection and performance. Stay tuned to find the perfect one for your car. Check out the product links in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot is the IIWEY N5 4-channel dashcam, a feature-packed device designed for complete 360-degree coverage. Equipped with a 3-inch IPS screen, this dashcam captures ultra-clear footage in multiple configurations, including 1440p front, 1080p rear, and 1080p side cameras. Its wide 170-degree front and rear lenses, combined with 150-degree side lenses, ensure no blind spots. The N5 excels in low light conditions with its super night vision, utilizing an f1.8 aperture, 6-layer optics, and WDR technology to balance exposure. Additionally, the infrared-enabled side cameras capture sharp black and white images in the dark, making it easier to recognize license plates and faces. With loop recording and a free 128GB SD card, this dashcam automatically overwrites old footage to ensure continuous recording. Its built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi provides fast connectivity, while the free app offers seamless control, video preview, and downloads. The IIWEY N5 also features 24-hour parking surveillance with time-lapse and collision detection modes, safeguarding your vehicle when parked. AG sensor locks important recordings upon detecting sudden impacts, ensuring crucial evidence is never lost. Designed with a supercapacitor, the N5 operates safely in extreme temperatures, preventing overheating. Easy to install with an adjustable bracket and a 360-degree rear camera, the IIWEY N5 is an excellent choice for those seeking comprehensive coverage and advanced safety features. Securing the 4th spot is the Rove 2 4K dual dash cam delivers outstanding video quality with advanced features for enhanced safety. The front camera captures ultra-high-definition 4K footage at 30 frames per second, while the rear camera records in full high-definition 1080p, ensuring crisp details from both perspectives. With a 150-degree front and 140-degree rear wide-angle view, it covers more of the road, minimizing blind spots. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor and f1.5 aperture enhance night vision, producing vivid, low-light recordings with excellent clarity. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi enables ultra-fast 20 MB per second downloads, allowing instant video previews and sharing through the Rove app. GPS functionality provides real-time speed tracking, route history, and precise location data embedded in the footage for added security. The Rove 2 includes a free 128GB microSD card and supports up to 1TB of external storage for extensive recording capacity. Advanced features such as motion detection, AG sensor for automatic emergency video locking, seamless loop recording, and voice guidance enhance usability. The integrated supercapacitor extends the camera's lifespan, making it more durable in extreme temperatures. With a 3-inch IPS display and intuitive controls, it is easy to set up and operate. Whether for daily commuting or long road trips, the Rove 2 4K dual dash cam provides superior performance, reliability, and clarity to capture every crucial detail on the road. Taking the 3rd spot is the Affver 4K dash cam, a high-performance front and rear recording system designed for superior video quality and reliability. The front camera captures ultra-high-definition 4K footage at 30 frames per second with a 160-degree wide-angle view, while the rear camera records in 1080p at 25 frames per second with a 155-degree field of vision, ensuring comprehensive road coverage. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi enables fast video downloads at up to 8 MB per second, allowing for seamless footage transfers and instant playback through the Affver app. Integrated GPS accurately tracks speed, routes, and location data, enhancing security and evidence collection. The 3.59-inch IPS screen provides a crisp interface for effortless navigation. Seamless loop recording automatically overwrites old files, while the G sensor locks crucial footage during collisions. The 24-hour parking mode, when paired with a hardwire kit, ensures continuous surveillance by recording at low frames per second to conserve memory while detecting motion or impacts. A super night vision system, powered by an f1.5 aperture and a 6-layer lens, enhances low light performance, ensuring clear footage even in dark conditions. The included 64GB memory card provides immediate storage without additional purchases, while the car charger features an extra USB port for added convenience. Designed with a discreet, low-profile build, the Affver 4K dashcam blends seamlessly into any vehicle interior, making it a reliable and essential driving companion. Taking the second spot is the Coolcrazy 4K dual dashcam, a high-resolution front and rear camera system designed for ultimate road safety and surveillance. The front camera records in crisp 4K Ultra HD, while the rear camera captures in 1080p, ensuring clear footage of license plates, road signs, and surrounding details. A wide 170-degree front and 150-degree rear viewing angle provide extensive coverage for both lanes and blind spots. Built-in 5G WiFi allows for seamless video transfers and remote access via iOS and Android devices, enabling instant downloads and social media sharing. The integrated GPS tracks live speed and driving routes, embedding essential data onto recorded footage for added security and accuracy. A 3-inch IPS display ensures easy navigation and playback directly on the dash cam. The 24-hour parking mode, when connected to an ACC hardwire kit, enables continuous surveillance by capturing time-lapse footage at low frames per second, saving power while monitoring your vehicle. Equipped with superior night vision, the dashcam features an f1.5 extra-large aperture for enhanced low-light performance, ensuring clarity even in dark environments. Advanced loop recording automatically overwrites older files when storage is full, while the built-in G-sensor locks crucial footage in case of sudden impacts, preventing it from being erased. A supercapacitor enhances durability, offering resistance to extreme temperatures and extending product life. Included in the package is a 64GB memory card, providing ample storage out of the box. With its discreet design and advanced features, the Coolcrazy 4K dual dashcam is a reliable, high-performance solution for daily driving and accident documentation. Taking the top spot is the Tuisau 4K Wi-Fi dashcam, a powerful 3-channel dashcam that records the front, rear, and inside of your vehicle in crisp 4K divided by 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p resolution. This ensures comprehensive coverage from every angle, reducing blind spots with a 170-degree front and 120-degree rear field of view. If you only need front and interior recording, disconnecting the rear camera automatically upgrades the front resolution to 4K for enhanced clarity. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi allows seamless video transfer and real-time management via the WiFi app, compatible with both Android and iOS devices. With easy video downloads and social media sharing, managing footage has never been more convenient. A 64GB SD card is included, eliminating the need for additional purchases. The advanced night vision system ensures clear recording in low light conditions, providing crucial details even in the dark. Parking monitoring mode activates the dash cam when it detects impact or vibrations, offering 24-hour surveillance when paired with an ACC hardwire kit, sold separately. The integrated G-sensor automatically locks footage in case of a collision, preventing crucial files from being overwritten. Loop recording efficiently manages storage by replacing old files with new ones when the memory card nears capacity, ensuring continuous operation. The discreet bumper-mounted design provides a sleek and unobtrusive setup, keeping your focus on the road. With a user-friendly app, reliable video quality, and enhanced safety features, the Tuisau 4K Wi-Fi dashcam is an excellent choice for rideshare drivers, commuters, and anyone seeking all-around vehicle security.